Okay. So in the hacker rank, okay, in the case of what? Hacker rank. We need to solve how many programs? 15. This 15 is enough. If you're having time, okay. But not having time, at least way scenario, not getting time, this time, that thing, something will be there. I know. Festival, that this thing. Keeping aside all these things, at least in one day, at least if you spend at least 2 hours. See, some questions you can understand within what 5 minutes. Some questions 10 minutes. Some question half an hour. Some question 1 hour. Some question 2 hours. But directly, if you're writing just copy and pasting, will not work. At least you have to know at least your first 15 programs. The remaining programs you know don't also, it's fine. Why? Because hacker rank is designed not just for only for people who know the short intermediate people. Like what? English is there. English we have only in 9th class, first class, or only in inter, or only in BTech. No. Very big subject. English literature we have, all this will be have. So people having age of 40, 35 also behind English in their syllabus. So we can't say English is over there only. Pronouns, nouns, or whatever verbs, or whatever this topic there. Okay. Single, plural, all these things. Same thing in the Python. I told you, we have many fields. Biomedical field, AI field, machine learning, data science, hacking, networking, codes. Okay, we'll be having DevOps concept. We'll be having what? Link with the GitHub pipelines, CI/CD. Okay, many things are there. So here hacker rank as a fresher, we expect what at least he has some done things some on hacker rank, and at least have how many ratings? 3-star. From those 15 programs only they'll ask you at least show me 15 programs first of all. Enough. The remaining programs you can copy and paste. It's not a issue. Not a issue. But starting from first program only if you're copying and pasting, then it is waste. I'm saying you. Then it is a waste. Because first 15 programs only will give you the idea to crack the interviews. First 15 questions will give you the idea to crack the interviews. But after 15 programs, you can copy and paste, not a issue. Okay. Because what we company want only 3-star ratings. And how many programs you want? After this, you do whatever you want to do. No one asks you. Okay. So first 4 programs, if you solve, how many stars ratings will get? 1 star. The next 3 programs will getting what? 2 star. So up to 10 programs or 15 programs, if you solve, we'll getting how many star ratings? 3 star. Okay. So need to have a Gmail account or Yahoo account or Rediff account or whatever account it is there. So someone's account I'll take now. Okay. Or temporary account we can't take, I think so. Temple, let's checking once. Okay. Let me just check. So log in here, okay. Okay, sign up there. Name not accepting. Just let. Okay. then skip. Okay, that's it. So if you solve first 35 points, if you get, how many ratings will be getting? First star rating. So here, first two questions will be what? Very basic only there. Very basic. So I'll show you how you have to solve. Okay. So click on what now? Hello World program there now. Okay. How many points will be getting? 5 points. So click on what now? Solve challenge. Then click on change theme. Make it as dark. Okay. Then select a language. Language select what? Python 3. Python 3. Now what is the thing? See, if you're having time now, then take some time and read these things. Okay, all these things. Okay, but at least here after at least do at least 3 to 4 questions. Okay. So what is saying there? If you provide the last, what is the thing here? Sample out what he wants. Hello, comma world exclamation mark. So what is asking in the output here? He want hello H capital. He want comma also. You can see here the output. Comma he want. After comma he want a space. Then W capital world. After world he want what? Exclamation mark. So this is the thing he want in the what? Output there. So let us try the coding once now. So I want to keep the what? Hello, comma, space, world. That's it. Now, exclamation mark also. That's it. Semicolon you keep, don't keep, it's not a problem. Now click on what now? Run code. See here all test cases pass. First of all, you'll get the what? First sample test cases pass. After clicking on this one, you have to click on what now? Submit code. Then remaining test cases will check there now. Submit code. Here. So all the test cases what now got passed. Okay. Now it will say, congratulations, you got the first 5 points. Previously, how many points you had there? 35 points asked now. Now how much points you have? 35 points. You got 5 points. Remaining how many points you require no more? 30 points. So click on what now? Next challenge. Click here. What is second question now? Asking is to print what? Weird or not weird. Okay. So it will take some time here now. So clearly I'll make it understand. Okay. Few things you have to understand. What is saying there? If n is odd now. If it is what? Odd. Then print there what? Weird. When do you say odd? Suppose I'll take n. So n mod 2. Okay, not equal to. So n mod 2. N mod 2 not equal to 0. This will give you what? All odd numbers. So what I'm saying here, if n is odd, print them what? Weird. Means what I have, if n is even. If it is even, means what? If n mod 2 equal to 0. Next, what I'm saying, and in the inclusive range of 2 to 5. So now what I can do now, see here once. So 2 to 5 you asking there. See, suppose here I light here because I want more spaces. So if it is odd now, n mod 2, if it is not equal to 0, I'll say what it is odd. Next, what is saying, if it is even, when it is even, n mod 2 equal to 0, then it is even. Okay, even part done. Next, what is saying, and in the inclusive range of 2 to 5. 2 to 5 when I can get, I can use range. So I can use now what? And which variable? N variable, and n in the range of, and n in range. You can take 2 to 5 or 2 to 6 up to yours it is. So I'll take 2 to 5. So if it is n mod 2 is equal to 0 and in the range of what? 2 to 5. This will give you what now? Will give you what now? No, will give you what now? Print what? Not weird. This will print what? First of all, weird. This will print what? Not weird. Next, third one, check when they know n is even and in the range of what? 6 to 20. So n mod 2 equal to 0 and n in range of 6 comma. Now 20 I have to take or 21 I have to take. That is the main question now. So if you check below again there, I have again what there, n is even and greater than 20. See, previously I didn't have anything there concept now, but now what I'm saying there now, and n greater than 20. So even what here 20 also counted or not counted? Counted. So you can take up to what here now 21. So this will give me what now? It is going to print what there? Weird. Going to print there what? Weird. Next, if n is even, again n mod 2 is equal to 0. And now what I'm saying, and n greater than what? 20. So what I can say now, and n greater than or equal to just greater than 20. Print what now? Not weird. That is the thing. Now, how do you write this code now? If you think properly, how can I apply this logic? Simply nothing. But what you can do, if n mod equal to 0, what you are saying there? Odd. This will print what? So you can say if. Here what I can say? Elif. Here again, elif. Again last also what? Elif. That's it. So let me show the coding part now. And first I'll show easy one and then I'll show hard one also. This is a hard one, okay? So what I'll show now? If n mod 2 is not equal to 0, print what there? Weird in single quote. Next, elif n mod 2 equal to 0 and n in the range of, and n in range from where to where? 2 comma 5. 2 to 5. Keyboard getting stuck. 1 minute. Okay, 2 to 5. Print what? Not weird. Getting 2 lines. Yes, okay now. Now, next again what I have again elif n mod 2 if it is equal to 0 and n in range of from where 6 to 21. What will happen if you take 6 to 20 also? I'll show. Okay. So print what now? Print what there? Weird. So spelling also write properly now. And here it will take some time. Okay. That's the only thing. So I request you to what? First time VS code. Run the code there, then come here. Okay. And paste it here. All this I'll keep ready. Okay. I already have. I'll just send you the file. But as of now, first few programs I'm showing you here. Okay. Next, elif n mod 2 equal to 0 and n greater than 20. Print what? Not weird. That's it. So let us check. We'll run the code once. See, sample test is passed. Okay. Let me keep it what 20 now. Let me keep it what 20 and run the code. Working there? Yes. Working or not working? Working. But when I click on submit code now, we'll check remaining test cases. That time it gets failed. Here run the code. Submit the code. Here. One test case got what the failed. Okay. Out of 8, one test case got their what failed. That's why I'm taking either what up to 21. Up to where? Up to 21. Now run the code. Now sample test cases what passed. Okay. Remaining test case also get what now passed. Got there? So all the test cases will get passed now like this. So you have to try once, not like just to copy and pasting, because first 10 questions is very important. I told you. After this, you can do anything, whatever you want. And one more thing, once when I'm telling, please concentrate. Okay, 100% focus. Okay. This is a big way now. Okay. Now let me show you the shortcut way. This is a big way. So come here now. So what is saying here? If it is odd, print weird. If it is what in the even and in the range of what 2 to 5, print what not weird. Again, what is saying? If it is even, print what in the range of 620, print what weird. Then if it is even and greater than 20, print what not weird. So if I get the remainder as 1, suppose n mod 2, if it is equal to 1, equal to how much? 1, and both will keep, not like immediately write the code perfectly and then get the answer. Okay, and n in range of, okay, let me write properly. Yes, I'll write small there because you have less lines here. N mod 2 equal to what I'm saying there, 1. I'm not saying not equal to 0, it is equal to 1, and I can keep, or I can keep, first I'll keep and n in range of, from where to where number, suppose from where to where, suppose now what I'll take from 5 to 21, from what 5 to 21, or from 621, print here what, because if it is more than 20, saying the print what not weird. So what I'll say here, print weird, print here what weird, and here in the next else part what I'll say, print not weird, not weird. So it will be a little bit confusing for you, but let me show you once practically. This is a logic. So let me show you once practically, and this is a lengthy way. Okay, and this is a logic which you have to follow. Once you've done 30 programs, 20 programs, or once you're done with Python, then you can make the code small. But starting also, you have to know how can I write the code, all these things. So what I can do now, if n mod 2 is equal to 1, I'll keeping and there. So directly I want to write the proper code, and this have to keep inside there, and n in range, from where to where I'm saying there, 5, 21. Well, this have to try there, because exactly if you try the answer, will not get 5, 21. Print what? Weird or not weird? Weird. And next case, what I'm saying there, else print not weird, not weird. So keep it properly. Now run the code. See, one of the test cases got their what? Fail. So let us keep the what now in place of and. What are the cases pass? See here, expecting 3, your output not weird, but what are getting the expecting there? Weird. So let me start from what now? From 2 to 21 now. We'll have to try that again. Again run the code. See here. All sample test cases are passed there. Now click on submit code, because here also this is what sample test cases. Now I have to actual pass the real test cases now. Submit code there again. Here. How many got failed? 3. Wait for 5 minutes. Out of 8, how many test cases failed? 3. Now there is something wrong there. So now in the place of and, I'll keep the what now? Or. Now again run the code. Sample test cases got what passed. Now again click on submit code. See. So out of 8, how many cases have failed now? 1. So where is the mistake now? If you want to lose your 5 hackathons, then you'll have to unlock. But don't click. That's I told you. Have what? How many accounts? 4 accounts. That's the reason there. If you want to see the code. So where is the mistake thing once, Simply So equal to 1, okay, fine. And in the range of, from where, suppose here I'll take properly 2 to 20 if I take. So somewhere here, maybe here only, I have to check out once, run the code. Okay, submit code. No, again 3 failed. I think from 6 to 21. Just give me a minute. No. So n equal to 1 and in the range of what? From where? 2 to 21 I'll take, or 5 to 21. No, if he's passing the 3, what should get there? What? Weird. So this 3 also will get counted. So I'll take from 2 only. And okay, submit code. So here 3 lost. Okay. First copy this logic once in notes. Yes, sir. Just make it fast, okay? And this first line will be common, okay? Because now you know the function topic. Here nothing but what, suppose you know VS Code, if I type this one, automatically get. So I'll show in the VS Code also again. Don't copy everything, just copy this water 13, 14, 16. Actually, some people came late. Okay. So now see here now. Copy down. So from here onwards, you have to spend at least what? 3 to 4 hours on Python now. Okay. So 12 to 1 will be doing hacker rank. Then 2 to 3 functions topic, same thing. 2 to 4 our class. So to make it small, n mod 2 equal to 1. If it is not equal to 0, odd. I am saying equal to what? 1. Okay. And or you can see or numbers between 6 less than or equal to n less than or equal to 20. In between these numbers, print the what? Not weird or weird. Weird. VIRD. And if numbers are what greater than what? 20. If numbers are what greater than 20. Now print the what? bracket. You're saying that now greater than 20. Print the what? Not weird. So let us check once this code. Okay. Sample test case is passed. Actual test case will pass or not pass? Yes. So what's the logic here? Simply understand n mod 2 equal to 0 will give you what? Even. Not equal to 0? Odd. When you will get the remainder as 1? Odd. Next, what I'm saying there now, 6 less than or equal to n, less than or equal to 20. Means what? If the n values lies what between what? Less than 6 or equal to n or less than or equal to what? 20. Then it is what? Odd numbers where it is. And if it is what now? Even now. Yes or no? If it is negative, suppose 4 mod 2, even or odd? Even. It won't go to the if statement there now. It will come out of the if. Will go to what else? Print the what? So when I write it odd now, it in between the numbers now. So if I pass the 3 here, okay, 3 is what here now? Suppose if I pass 3, 3 should come what? Weird or not weird? So see a sample test case here. If I pass 3, what should come there? Weird it's saying there. So this will give what? Weird or not weird? Weird. If it is not, suppose it is if I was 4 now. Okay. Like this, when you are getting some time, check the remaining sample test cases. If you want to unlock, then you have to have some hackathons. That's why you keep other mail IDs. Remaining 3 mail IDs, na? That's the reason. So click on submit code. Okay, and copy this logic also, just 2 lines. If you keep like what 0, but remainder should be like 3. You can keep, not an issue. But depending on hacker rank here, because you have to follow certain rules here. Here, first sample test will fail. That's the reason keeping the what equal to 1. These things to understand will take at least 10-15 days. Absent na first half an hour, so don't ask. Because these are very, very important, I told you. Without this, can't get a job. These are very, very important. More than, because half brain is work, half brain is not work yet. How many questions you have seen now in this logic 1 program? 2 ways. First was very lengthy way. This is the what? Easiest way. To make it easier only will take some time. That's the main thing there. Normally you can apply if else and then do the program. That is the best one there. Okay. This you don't do there again, the coding part. This you do when you're having got less time. When big companies are there, that time you can do. Okay. Or else simply follow what the first part I did na. If, elif, khatam. That's it. Okay. This all I told. Again, same thing. If you ask again, starting Python again, join the class. Step what will do, ma? Then in hacker rank we can't change these things. In hacker rank, if I change these things, it will not accept. That is the thing. In hacker rank, what it says, I'll give the say. In this way, you have to follow. It is called as what? One way of following, called what? Sandbox. Actually, your colleges should teach you, but then don't teach you these things. Sandbox here anytime. Not that sand, not the road sand or something, house sand. Sandbox is one kind of a platform where everything will be there. That way only have to write the code. You should not change these things. Like what? You should not remove this import matter. You should not remove this thing. You should not remove these things. Everything will be there here. You just need to add the code there. Okay. So we're getting some time. Look out for this water sandbox. Okay. To understand more briefly, this is your homework part. Okay. You have to go with what? edubay.org. But you are coming in the middle asking, then I have to go skip in the middle. You know. So edubay.org is your homework part. Is what your homework part. Open this website, click on sign up. Click on the what? Sign up. Keep your mail account there. Okay, so logged in. So log in now. I'm using temporary mail. Okay, temp mail is a website. Activation. Okay. These things will not able to understand. Some people know, some people don't know. I go temp mail. Activate. So activation done now. Refresh. Okay, we'll ask you all these things. So fill these things. Just simply say, suppose there what HD here, SD here, what is Python. $2022 there. No, 10 only there. Okay. Now, these things are not required now. Take exam, all these things. Okay. Click on the what? Study. So your first part, Python essentials. Click on the what? Enroll. Click on what now? Enroll. So click on what next there? Launch course. So all these points you read there. Then click on the what now next year? Next. So there's a course model, all these things will come there. Click on next. Don't waste time in reading all these things. But here waste the time. Here you have to spend some time to read about the theory part. Okay. If you're having interest in reading part, then read or else skip. But highly recommended what? At least 5 minutes and read these points. Okay. Next. So all Python, all things will come there. Yeah, first is what? Entry level. Then what next? After 1 year, 2 years, associate. After 4 years, 5 years, professional. Okay. So now not paying any kind of amount now. I told now PCP exam you have to write. So people after completing Python, they can go with what? PCP, which is valid all over the globe. Total Earth. Okay. Total Earth. People who are actually going for MS or whatever it is, compulsory there. Or else like what? You wrote MSET. Will anyone give you preference? Just tell me once. All will pass. Yes or no? Yes or no? JEE means no. Half out, half in. Not half in also. Suppose in JEE means 300 applying. How many students will qualify? Suppose like around 50 example. Yes or no? Suppose it is MSET. 300 students applied. How many students qualified? At least 200. This one's not qualifying. They're not fit for like MPCL again. Because here Narayana Chaitanya there, there's a target. At least this one will get. MSET they'll qualify. Okay. Not qualify means Sync Corona batch. So difference there or not there? There. And if I ask now who will be given the highest preference, MSET or JEE main? JEE. Then advanced later IIT, but that is separate again. There at least here to apply, people apply. How many gets qualified? 10. Same thing. We are having Python certifications. Many are there. From here, there, that are there, this are there. Okay. But only 2 certificates, not only 2 also. Most certificate, highest preference will be gained for what? In the Python for what? PCP. So some companies will ask you to write this exam also. After getting you hired, they'll say your training will be there for 1 month. After 1 month training, we're going to keep an exam on PCP, which you have to, company will pay the amount sometimes. Or sometimes they'll cut the amount from the salary also. Don't know. Sometimes. Depends upon the company to company. Okay. They'll ask you to write this PCP exam. Once you qualified, see here I can give you assurance what all can get 70%. If you're securing 70% only, you'll get the certificate. But after paying 5K also for this exam, will be 5K. If you're getting 70%, na, then you are waste, I'm saying, not fit for this world only. According to me. This much Python, I'm saying now. At least you should be getting what? 90 at least.